Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to boost sales with AI-powered product image on Pic Copilot. So this is being used for Alibaba specifically or for any e-commerce photos. If you're having hard time doing your photos for your products, images, and other e-commerce platforms, this is the one for you. So I'm gonna take you step by step here, so please take note. And by the way guys, this process is available for all devices. If you're watching this on your MacBook, please stay in the video because the process is literally the same. So we have, I think, 4 features to work with. We have the remove background, we have the instant backgrounds, image translation, and the best part, my favorite of all, AI fashion model. Let's start right here. I'm gonna click on start create over this button right there. I'm gonna click it right now. Now after clicking that start create, we'll be redirected on this platform. Now just want to make sure that we're on the same page. Make sure you click English on this option right here, because earlier by default it was on Chinese. I'm not sure if this is Chinese or any other language, correct me if I'm wrong. So by default it was on this language. I just changed it to English. Now we're good to go. So these are the 4 tools to work with. Let's start with the very first one. Very basic, very generic. Remove the background. So click on it and basically upload the photo. As you can see right here, we have a maximum of 20 images per process. But for now, I'm just gonna use one to fully utilize the process. I just want to make sure to show you how it works, okay? So click on it, upload an image. So I got an image here for Pixel Bay. Let me just look for it. Perfect. This one right here, it's uploading. It's a coffee cup. I'm simply gonna click on remove. And right now it's gonna ask me to log in. So I'm just gonna use my dummy Google account to log in. Let me just give it a second here. Now I've just successfully logged in and I've just redirected on this platform. So as you can see right there, this is my new image. Now I'm gonna pull up my image from earlier so you can see the difference. Give me a second here. Let me just minimize this one. Sorry about this. It's pretty huge. Give me a second. Okay then, almost there. Perfect. Just found the edge of it. So right now, this is gonna be the photo. Original photo on the left, out of photo on the right. As you can see right now, the image is pretty good. The background has been removed, everything except on this envelope, because AI thought this is a part of the picture. Now for some reason, you want to remove that card, right? That specific card right there. There is still a way. So click on edit button right here. You'll have undo, redo, zoom in, zoom out, fit to screen, and drag. Now, every time I move the output, real time, it fixes the original photo. So to remove that one, let's try it out. Not sure it will work because I think this is for pro version, but let's try it out anyway. So I'm gonna click on eraser, make sure everything is good. I'm gonna highlight that card right there, make sure everything is highlighted. Now this will take time. Now for it not to make time, make sure you highlighted everything. To save time here, you can increase the size of the brush, like so. So what I'm doing right now, just increase this brush size. And as you can see right there, if I let go of my mouse, it will erase the part where I've just brushed my screen. So I'm gonna leave one part open to just let you guys. So I'm gonna release now. As you can see right there, real time, it's being erased, right? How awesome is that? Anyway, that being said, you can just reference on the right part of the screen to remove everything that you want to see on your picture. Anyway, that being said, you can simply complete background removal here and wait for it to finish. And that being said, that photo has just been deleted. Click on download to download to your PC, and there we go. We have just downloaded a photo without a background. So that's the first tool to work with. Let me just go back to the dashboard and work with image translator. So for this one, it's basically translating any text on the image to a different language. That's the idea. So I don't have a specific photo here. Let me check if I have with a different language. I'm gonna go for downloads. Let's try this one right here. With a name, I think I don't have anything here. But anyway, I'm gonna download this one. It has a name anyway. So as you can see right there, for example, you have over here Chinese or any other language. So make sure you click on original language. I'm gonna click on English. I'm gonna translate it to Espanol. Let's try it out. Translate. Now right now, let's see how it works out. Not sure if this will work properly because that's a logo, not really a photo. Anyway, I'll get back to you once it's here. So welcome back. This is the output right now. And as you can see, it's still editing for the Espanol. And this is the output right here. So technically, it did not edit it properly because it is a name, not an exact word, right? So for example, let's say this is a word, for example, cooking or happy birthday, something like that. It will be translated to Espanol. Anyway, for example, you're satisfied with this one for the translation, click on download and you're good to go. Same process as earlier. Now moving on to the last one, or rather second to the last, sorry about that, instant backgrounds. So for example, I'm going to click on this one. I'm going to upload the photo that we removed the background earlier. The coffee earlier, remember that? We're going to use it on this picture. So as you can see right there, before uploading, you can erase some more, manually remove background. You can do that on this part also. So confirm upload. It will direct us on this platform and choose a background on the left side right here. Now it will take some time to preview the background. So all we can do right now is wait and give it a go, okay? So give it a second. I'll get back to you once it's here. So welcome back. This is our new image. So once you select a background, make sure you click generate right there. That's what I think I forgot earlier. That's why it's not working. So again, choose a background and then click generate and wait for the magic to happen. And by the way, guys, each generation background gives you 2 suggestions. For example, this one right here, I have 1 and 2 right there. 2 choices for you. Now, while waiting for the new 2 backgrounds, these are them. And actually right there, I think this is the best one right now. So if you move the background, there will be a short wait in the image you created. So if you want to remove it or move as it is, you can do so. So if you're satisfied, of course, click on download and you're good to go. Now let's try now the last tool, my favorite one among the rest. And by the way, this is still on beta phase, a little bit more quirks on it. Still not perfect, but let's try it out. So click on it. Now I'm gonna look for an image that I got. Make sure the clothing is visible for this one. Now I'm gonna use myself. Let me just look for it. Give me a second. I'm gonna use this one. Let's see what will work out. So images from Pixelbay exceeds 3000 pixels, so it's not working. Let's choose another one. Maybe this one, Elon Musk. It's not working also. Give me a second. How about myself right there? So a photo of myself just uploaded, so it's now detecting my apparel or clothing. That's the key here. Make sure the clothing is visible. And right there, as you can see, the clothing has just been highlighted. So for this one, if you still see some clothing that hasn't been highlighted, make sure you edit it and highlight it. So I'm gonna confirm upload. And right there, we're gonna select a model. For this one, I'm gonna select a guy. And then hair color, I'm gonna go for red. And then background, I'm gonna go for street. I'm gonna create now and wait for it to finish. So I'll get back to you once it's done, okay? So welcome back. This is gonna be the new image, and as you can see, I have 2 choices. And right now, the clothing has been used with different model. How good is that, right? It's my favorite, really. So if you're satisfied with this one, click download right there. And with no hassle, you'll be downloaded on your PC. So basically, we've just finished all features. I'm gonna go back to the dashboard right there. I just want to let you know the templates. So if you don't have an idea how to start with this one, and you want to select a specific template to work with, for example, let me just look for one here very quickly. I'm gonna go with this one. Upload that image. I'm gonna use the cup from earlier. Now that cup will now be used on that specific template. So welcome back. This is gonna be our product. And by the way, we also have 2 choices for this one. Anyway, you can still edit some things here. For example, the text, the placement, and such. Anyway, that being said, thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.